Common mold indicators every home inspector searches for. Mold isn't just unsightly, it can signal hidden moisture issues and pose serious health risks. Home inspectors are trained to identify common signs that help protect your property from damage. Here's what they look for: visible mold, black, green, or gray patches on walls, ceilings, or other surfaces. Musty odor, a persistent, earthy smell indicating possible hidden mold. Water stains, discolored areas often caused by leaks hidden behind walls or ceilings. Peeling paint, excess moisture can cause paint to crack, peel, or bubble. High humidity, inspectors measure humidity levels to identify damp conditions that promote mold growth. Take control of your home's health and safety. Schedule a professional home inspection today.